Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Hibiscus is a well-known plant in any Indian garden. This is known as Jaba in Bengali and good health in Hindi. As you know, there had been a severe heat wave in Delhi before. And because of that, most of our plants died. Some of our hibiscus plant also died. And the ones which still survived did not have such a good health. My mom gave them fertilizers last in March. After that, she did not give these plants any kind of fertilizer. And here, rainy season has also come, so we are going to tell some special tips and tricks for this plant as well as give fertilizer to it. And in rainy season, one of the most main problem is root rot. This is caused due to water logging of the plants. So to prevent this, you need a sharp tool. Then just simply poke the drainage holes to see if they are clogged or not. After that, loosen the soil by digging it so that the water can easily pass through the drainage holes. Those whose plant shaping is not so good, you can prune them right now. Pruning helps in improving the health, growth, structure, appearance, and it also helps in lateral branching and brings more flowers. Also, my mom also prunes all those leaves which touch the ground. Because if your leaf touches the soil, it can easily get any kind of insect attack or fungal infection. As you know, Delhi has an extreme climate, may it be hot or cold. And because of this extreme climate, we lose plants every year. So my mom plants new plants from the branches that she cuts. And rainy season is the best time to propagate from cutting. Here my mom is preparing the soil. Loamy soil is essential for any kind of plant. Also make sure that the cutting is like a pencil. Also cut its stem in a 45-degree angle. If you have any kind of fungicide, make sure to apply it on the cutting side. Or just simply apply aloe vera gel. Then put it in the soil and make sure to press it. Then just simply water your plant and then cover it with a plastic. And then all you have to do is to just keep it in a semi-shaded area. We will also upload a video on how you can repot it and when you can do all the other stuff of this plant. Till then, just keep it in a shaded area for 25 to 30 days. Also, as you can see here, my mom is giving a little amount of kitchen waste compost to the plant. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Does anybody watch our Bangla blog? The name is Chhoti. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.